This is a typical syringe and plunger used for injecting epoxy into connectors. Place the cap on the end of the syringe to contain the epoxy. Using a syringe holder helps keep the syringe stable as the epoxy is loaded into the syringe. Push the epoxy to one side of the bipack and place the clip back on the package. Push the epoxy away from the corner. Cut off the corner of the epoxy bipack. Align the cut corner of the bipack above the syringe and carefully squeeze out the epoxy. If preparing a syringe for pneumatic dispensing, insert a stopper cap into the back of the syringe, not required for manual dispensing. Syringe is now ready to be placed in a centrifuge to remove bubbles.